In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key on Shopify. For those who are new to this topic, an API key is essentially a way for your store to communicate with other apps and services, extending the functionality of your Shopify store without any hassle. It's a vital tool for developers and merchants looking to integrate various services. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin, which is your control hub for all store operations. Once you're there, look for the My Store Home section. This is where you'll find a comprehensive overview of your online store activities and options to manage your settings. Now head over to the Settings area. This is usually located at the bottom left-hand corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open up a menu with a list of options, which are essentially different aspects of your store that you can configure to meet your needs. The next step is to select Apps and Sales Channels. This submenu is crucial because it displays all the applications currently installed in your Shopify store, as well as any sales channels you're using. It's a great place to gather insights into the tools that are integrated into your Shopify account. Once you've found Apps and Sales Channels, the next task is to click on Develop Apps. This section is specifically designed for creating and managing custom applications for your shop. It's an essential tool for developers who need to tailor an app's functionality to fit specific needs. In the Develop Apps section, you'll see an option that says Create an App. Clicking on this will initiate the process of setting up a new application. Now, you need to focus on the creation of your app, which starts by giving it a name. Think of a descriptive name that clearly represents the app's purpose within your store. After naming your app, you'll notice the option to cancel the operation. This button exists if you've made any mistakes or simply wish to rethink the app's creation process without committing to any changes just yet. However, if you're set on moving forward, feel free to continue. Creating and setting up an API key on Shopify can greatly enhance your store's capabilities by allowing seamless integration with other apps and platforms. Through these steps, you're essentially opening up your store to a wider range of functionalities that can streamline operations and improve customer experience. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to obtaining your API key on Shopify. Once you've followed these steps, you'll have a powerful tool at your disposal to customize and enhance your Shopify experience. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring further ways to optimize your store's operations with the new tools and insights you've gained.